Take your tater tots and you're just going to push them down onto your skewer to make some tater tot skewers. This is the newest craze going all over the internet. People are done with the days of eating tater tots individually, and instead we are now making them into long tater tot skewers. If you get nice and high, you can see all these beautiful tater tot skewers, which you can top with whatever you'd like. Grab cheese. I'm gonna do mozzarella on the first stick of our tater tots, then I'm going to do cheddar on the next. Again, as you can imagine, followed up with our mozzarella, then the next one gets cheddar. This is just going to give you some variety. You know, everyone at the party wants to have their own unique thing. You know, it's a self-service menu. Then we are just going to place it on there. Now we have all those two different tones. Then at this point, you can really top them however you like. So I'm going to turn the ones that just have that mozzarella cheese into almost looking like a pizza, even though it's not going to be a pizza. So we're just going to take our little bits of tomato, place those on there. Now you could really just have fun with this. Do whatever you'd like. The best part of a tater tot stick is that no one's judging. You could do you. We love you for whoever you are. Then you're just going to take a little bit of salsa, place salsa on our cheddar ones. And look at this. This is so fun. I'm going kind of a Tex-Mex route on one. You can really do whatever you'd like. Then onto the salsa ones. Let's take little pickled jalapenos. Pickled jalapenos are so delicious. They're going to be great on this. So just take your pickled jalapenos all over there. Then a little bit of sour cream. That's going to actually go in at the end. So we're now just going to take some hot sauce. Hot sauce is going to go on our little ones with our mozzarella. So just place this on there all over. And now this goes right into the oven. This is going to be good. I mean, just look at that. It already looks incredible. My oven's preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the perfect temperature. This now goes right in just like that. Now you can call your guests, and in about 10 minutes, we will have a delicious handheld snack. Wow, the kitchen smells incredible. It smells like melty cheese. Just take this bad boy right out of here and look at that beauty. I'm not gonna let these just cool for a second, and then we will just grab them and enjoy. A little bit of sour cream just dolloped all over there. And now check this out. Just lift, oh. Well, I think I bought the wrong type of tater tots because they're not, what? I mean, they're delicious, but they're not skewering. Are you kidding me? Wow, okay. I've done these before and it's totally worked. I guess my tater tots were too soft. Are you kidding me? Whatever, it's delicious. Now it's just tater tots with things on it. What happens, happens.